Alright, welcome channel guys. In today's video I have got one of the best phone you can buy at the price of 20,000 rupees. So this is how the package looks. So it came in priority package, so it was actually a open box delivery, but I've packed it again for the video's purpose. So yeah, let me quickly open it and show you what we have got. So whenever you buy a phone from Flipkart, make sure you open the box in front of delivery guy and check everything. So do not share your OTP before checking everything and seeing if the phone is fine. So as you could see, this is CMF Phone 2 Pro. It's by Nothing. This is how the package looks. So it's simple, minimal packaging it has got. So there is one sticker here. As soon as we open, we have got one more box inside. So there is a small welcome note from Nothing, and also in this we have a protective TPU case, which is good. So the phone these days do not include any case or charger, but in this phone we are getting a case as well. So let me keep this aside and get to the phone itself. As you can see, this is the phone, and inside we have type C to C charging cable, as you could see. And apart from charging cable, there is a charging brick. So this is a 33-watt charging brick. So in the box you are getting a fast charger, which is pretty amazing for this price. And apart from that, what do we have here? There is one small SIM ejector pin. As you can see, the SIM eject pin looks like this. There is no branding on it, and it comes in this section, and there is nothing apart from that. So in the phone, with the phone you are getting SIM ejector pin, type C to C cable, and a 33-watt fast charger, and also a back case. So this is the phone. The phone actually looks pretty nice. Okay, this is how the phone looks. Feels solid. I thought the phone would feel plasticky, but it really feels nice in the hand. It has got a protective screen guard as well. This is how the phone looks. So this is not rotatable, but if you want to attach any accessories, you can simply remove this and attach accessories. It has got the type C port, speakers, and the SIM ejector SIM tray here. There's nothing at the side, just the action button and power button. Here you have volume up down button. So yeah guys, that was all about the unboxing of the one of the best phone which you can buy under the price of 20,000 rupees. So yeah, what do you think? Do let me know in the comment section box down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.